Hello, guys. Good morning, people. I hope you are doing fine and shine. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today's topic would be how to remove duplicates using Power Query. Removing duplicates is one of the regular tasks which we face in our day-to-day life. I would say work life, day-to-day life. I mean to say office. Whenever you work with data, you'll find a lot of duplicates. And how do you deal with duplicates? I'll show you via Power Query. Let's jump in. What I will do to start with, I'll go and click on data. I'll click get data from Excel workbook, and I've created a new sheet for duplicate specifically. I'll share the sheet with you guys as the same link which I've shared before. I'll just once I import, I'll just click on transform data, and as discussed, I will do the necessary transformations like before. I don't require this column, so I'll go remove top rows as one. I'll remove the column. I'll make the first row as header. Now you see the data is in proper shape to do my analysis. And while doing analysis, I can see there are duplicates present in the data, like 1 to 15, one sequence. Again, this customer ID 1 to 15, it's a repeating, it's repeating again. So you can since customer ID is unique, it's like a unique primary key, so you can tell this is duplicate, and based on this you can remove the duplicates. And for removing the duplicates, you need to go to remove rows. Once you go and click on remove rows, you'll have something called remove duplicates, and the duplicates will be removed from the bottom half. Like the first half will be kept and the bottom half will be removed. Let's see. Remove duplicates. See guys, the duplicates are removed from the bottom half as discussed. Now we can also do one more thing. There is something called keep rows. So if you see keep rows, you can keep a certain what do you call, suppose you want data from row 6 to row 12. So what would you do to get that? Power Query does not support like deleting row by row 1, row 2, row 3, deleting a single rows. It does not support it, but you want the output. So that time you this function keep range of rows would be very helpful here. So my ask was, I want data from row 6 to row 12. So my first row would be row 6, and number of rows I would want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of rows I require with 7, and I'll start counting the 7 from 6. Since my ask was you need data from row 6 to row 12. So I started with first row as 6, and since I need to go to 12, so I need to count how many are there till 12th, and the value of 12 is 12. The customer ID of row 12 is 12. Let's see. If I press OK. See guys, this was row 6 which became row 1, and this was row 12 which became row 7, and the value still remains as 12. This is one very handy function when you need certain data in certain ranges. This is very handy. Now coming back to one more important aggregative function which is used in analytical purposes is group by. Let's say I don't want duplicates. I'll remove duplicates first. Now I want to group the data. I want to group the data by multiple like basic. It's like one. If you want to group the data by one specific categorical column, but I want it via multiple categorical columns. What I will do, I'll click on advanced. I'll click on add grouping. I'll try to group with company, and I would like to see based on company and customer ID, what is my average age? So I would say average age, let's say new column, similar to SQL guys. Operation is age, and I see the values, the number columns are coming in the drop down. It's very easy, right? If you do this and click OK, you will see the average age based on the company and the customer ID. Like for customer ID in Newco company, the average age is 20. Similarly, if you see for customer ID 15, company Newco, the average age is little higher, which is 41. So this is how you can do some analytical checks as well as do some exploratory data analysis with the help of Power Query. In the coming lectures, I'll also tell you how to work in a, if I like give a real time situation, how do you work? I will give you with, I will show you with example on how my day-to-day life on Power Query looks like a proper real-time work example. So stay tuned. If you like my work, do subscribe and like. Thank you guys. I hope you like my videos.